Hello dear children, hope you all are enjoying your studies and taking care of yourself. Today we are going to continue with the same chapter, chapter 4, the Central Islamic Land. So let us recall all those topics which we have discussed in previous videos. We saw how Islam arose in Central Asia. Also we saw the impact and political administrative system of Islamic region. Then we saw how Khalifa took the charges of Islamic area and then they spread the message of Islam. Now after the end of Khalifas, we saw a new dynasty arise. Its name was Umayyad dynasty, which was started by Muawiyah. What was Abbasid revolution? Actually, Abbasid revolution was end up of Umayyad dynasty. So the Umayyad dynasty was replaced by a movement called Dawa. And this movement was led by Abbasid from origin of Prophet family from Makkah in 750 BCE. So, what type of dawa these people started saying about? So, dawa means that they want to say that we belongs to the place or the origin of the Prophet Muhammad, then why we were not being treated equally. So, these civil Arabians, they were not satisfied with the ruling of Umayyad dynasty and they put a dawa that they should be given some concession for the tax payment and also they must be considered for the privileges. Whereas on the other hand, Abbasid, he stated a big statement that the originality or the purity of the Islam is getting vanished and converting into evil under the ruling of Umayyad dynasty. So we need to make it into a new form or its origin should be again regained. That's why Abbasid ran a movement which was known as Dawa, and the complete movement or the revolution which brought the complete change in the political and social system of Islam, that revolution is called as Abbasid revolution. Let's see the changes brought by Abbasid revolution. The first change was that Abbasid changed his capital and bought at Baghdad. Second thing, he improved the system of taxation. Also, he immersed the development for intellectual growth. That's why this time period of Abbasid is known as the golden time period of Islam era. The next phase was breakup of Khalifas and rise of Sultans. The Abbasid state became weaker from the 9th century because Baghdad's control over distant provinces declined and because of conflict between Arab and Iranian army infractions. In between, various titles rised, like Iranian started with the titles Sahanshah, the king of the king, but not of Khalifa. A third ethnic group was added to the Arab and Iranian with the rise of Turkish Sultan in the 10th and 11th century. The Turk were nomad tribes from the Central Asian steppes or the grasslands of the Turkestan, who gradually converted to Islam. They were skilled riders and warriors and entered in the administration of Abbasid and other rulers as slaves and soldiers. Gradually, they gained high position to get their loyalty. One of them was Muhammad of Ghazni. It is the time period between 11th century to 13th century. The main reasons behind Crusade War are as following. Number 1, the place Jerusalem was conquered by Arabs around 368 BC, and this place has lost its originality because this place was assumed as a place of Jesus Christ and resembled to the Christian community. Now what happened in this place, Jerusalem, after capturing from the Arabians, it was being realized that people are being converted into Islam religion. So this was the great matter of anger, which was the biggest cause behind the War of Crusades. Now, second reason. On the other hand, Normans, Hungarians and Slavs, those who were from Eastern Europe, these people were converted into Christians so that their one and only one enemy can be the Muslim community. Now, this was the two reasons. Next reason is, after the death of Malik Shah, the Sultan of Baghdad, he offered Alois I to regain Jerusalem. So this was the reason. And the third one, the Christians wanted to establish strong economy by doing trading and agriculture. Whereas these Arabian, they started maintaining their economic system through non-violence. So this was the great difference between their administration and became the matter of reason behind crusade wars. Let us see the meaning of crusade. Comes from the Latin word crucis, meaning cross. Crusades are the religious war that were fought between Muslim and Christians. Let us see the idea behind crusades. Crusades were a series of attempts to gain Christian control of the Holy Land. They had a profound economic, political, and social impact on the society involved. Let us see the reason behind crusade wars. Three major religious groups, Christians, Muslims, and Jews, all claimed Jerusalem as their holy land. To Christian, it was the place where Jesus Christ was crucified and ascended to the heaven. and for Muslim it was the place where Muhammad ascended to the heaven. For Jews it was the site of their ancient temple built by Solomon. Let us see the series of the Crusade Wars. The first crusade took place between 1098 to 1099. Soldiers from France and Italy captured Syria and claimed for Jerusalem. Second crusade took place between 1145 to 1149. The Turk captured Itza in 1144 and appeal was made by Pope for the second crusade. Combined German and the French army made an attempt to capture Damascus, but they were defeated and force was sent to home. The third crusade took place around 1189. The loss of city prompted a third crusade in 1189, but the crusaders gained little except for some coastal towns for the Palestine and free access to the Jerusalem for the Christian pilgrims. Let us do a short knowledge checkup. Number 1. The Umayyad dynasty was replaced by the movement called Khilafat, Dawa, both A and B or none of these. Second question, in Central Islamic land, which place was the main reason behind Crusade War? Jerusalem, Makkah, both A and B or none of these. Third question is, in which year Abbasid revolution took place? 630 BCE, 760 BCE, 740 BCE or 750 BCE. Mention your answers in comment section. Thank you so much for watching.